Hey, what's up? I'm the Zim. This is the Zim video. This is an unboxing video. In a sense, I signed up for a service called Stitch Fix, which they send you a box of clothes every, how often? I've scheduled for every 2 months. I'll get a box of clothes. You go on their website and you kind of answer a bunch of questions about kind of clothes that you think you'd wear, kind of ideas, and then they have like this stylist that kind of will put together a box of clothes for you, and then it cost me $20 a month or a box to start, to get the box. I guess it's $20 a box. I don't know. And then whatever I keep will go toward that $20 will go toward the cost of what I keep. Whatever I don't want, I guess there's a bag inside of this box that I send back to them. But here we are. I just got my first box, and it's already kind of a questionable kind of delivery option they have. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens when I actually open it up, but if it even matters. I'm looking now. I can see inside that this bag looks like a bag to put other stuff in, for maybe this case in whatever. So anyways, let me grab a knife. Might as well, right? To cut the tape. We are unboxing this together for the first time to see what kind of clothes they gave me. So unboxing. So here's a box, a bag of, feels like shoes, and then a paper wrap of clothes, and some more introduction. I should sit down. Introduction. Choose, add, or remove. This keeps, I don't know, something. This must be the bag I use to send stuff back if I don't want it. Already has a mail or label on it. There's that. And then there's an envelope. Welcome to Stitch Fix. Thanks for letting us style you. Number one, decide. Number 2, rate. Complete checkout survey. Number 3, return. Hello there. Styled for you. Maybe this is what I got in this box or something. I don't know. I should probably do this a little more thoroughly. Maybe I'll add. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but these are the items I got in the box. Let's check it out. Just first impressions. See what they gave me. Let's look at these shoes first. Some loafer shoes. You know what? I already tell you I'm not keeping these. Not quite the right color or style for me, so that's going back. Let's not ruin this nice paper. Oh. Definitely not keeping this. I already know that. This service may not be the best for me. We'll see. This is a long sleeve sweatshirt thing. It's kind of nice, but I live in San Diego and it's pretty heavy. There's not going to be a lot of opportunity to wear something like this. So I'm not so sure about that one. It's okay. A hoodie, a thin hoodie that's red color by Bixby, I guess. It has like a fish scale pattern on the back. I would keep this if it was not red. I would keep this if it was like blue, black, or darker color. Let's see if I can exchange that one for a different color. And then jeans. And these are by Flag Anthem jeans. And I think I will keep the jeans. I'll probably keep the jeans. So those are the things I got out of my bag. my first Stitch Fix box. Alright, I actually am not keeping anything from this. I tried the jeans on, and they are, not only they're stretchy, I think I saw that on here, stretch. The stretchy vibe is not my thing, but also they're tapered. I'm more of a boot cut person, straight leg, but boot cut for sure. They were low rise and stuff, which I like, but they just were not me. I would not wear these. So I'm returning everything and putting them all in the bag. So we'll see next time if they. So what I do is I go online and I go into my account, and then I tell what I'm keeping or not keeping, and the things I'm not keeping, they give me a bunch of options of why I'm not keeping it, and then a box on the bottom that kind of explain more details. And for these ones, I'll go through what I said on each one. What I just said about the jeans, taper cut. Said this one was too heavy for this vibe. I won't wear it. It kind of feels more like a sweater, and I'm in San Diego. I don't need this kind of thing. If this was like this, if this was this material, then I would have kept one of them. Whatever. If these were basically one thing. This one's just the wrong color. I would have totally kept that, but I'm not a red. That's not my color. This, no way. I told him never send me a polo, ever. And then the sneaker, these are like $89 or $90. Hi, I'm back. So these were, $98, so almost $100 for these, and they're just, for that amount of money, not feeling confident about them. I'm just not feeling it. Like, if they were a different color and they just were slightly different style, like, I'm not a big, I don't know, I never wear slip-ons, so I don't even know. I'm just not feeling confident about this. If they were a different color, I would have been more game to keep those, but for $100, I'm not kind of like just on a whim. I'm not willing to spend that money. Let me give you the prices on these. So the polo, $40 basically, $39. This Bixby hoodie thing was $48, almost $50. This thing, striped shirt, they called it a Kokomo striped tee, $48 as well. And then the jeans were $69, which actually I feel like is the best deal out of this whole box. But if they were boot cut or better cut for me, I would have kept those. So I'm not keeping anything this time. Until next time, Stitch Fix. Maybe we can try again and see if you can send me some stuff that I'll actually want to keep. Maybe it's the wrong. I also put in the description about style-wise, I said, this feels like somebody that lives in the suburbs and goes to kind of a country club kind of vibe, and I'm more of a urban city utilitarian blue collar kind of vibe. So that's what I wrote for them. We'll see what happens next time. Alright, I'm the Zim. This is a Zim video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch up with you next time. If you have any questions for me around Stitch Fix and my experience so far, hit it up in the comments. Yes. Be excellent to each other.